Okay, this is a tutorial on how to publish a Google slide presentation that you have created and then how to embed it correctly into the Google site where you are posting this in your particular course. Okay, so I've selected a template without having to create one for this presentation, but I do want to share with you a couple of quick tidbits on Google. Um, there is some pretty cool tools that you have. And figure out why. Oh, there we go. Oh, everything's an adventure with me. Go to slide. I want to change the transitions. My favorite transition is the cube. I want to apply it to all the slides, and I don't want it to be too fast. Okay, and then let's say I want to animate this particular item here. I'll click on it. And to make this work, you don't want anything to be on click. You want everything to be after or with previous. So we're going to do after previous. We're going to leave it as is. We can choose to have it do whatever we want to, fly in from the left. And we're going to do it slow as well. We're going to go to our next slide. And again, I'm not going to do all of these. I'm going to select an object to animate. Again, you got to focus on not having it on click. Might want this one to fly in from the top. Really not that concerned about just doing this for demonstration purposes. Let's come down here. Let's animate this guy. Again, first thing I click on is on clicks. I can take that off. I want to make it go slow. The fade in is fine. Okay, so I've made some adjustments, but you have to remember when you have anything on here that you want to work and animate, you do not want it on click when you're publishing it. Now, when you're presenting it to a large group of people and you want total control, then by all means, do what you want to do. Okay, so now we're going to come over here to File, and we're going to publish this. So we're going to publish this to the web, and we're going to rotate it every 5 seconds. We're going to start it as soon as the player loads, and we're going to restart the slideshow after the last slide. Now we're going to click Publish. Okay. And we have options to publish it too, but we're just going to right click and copy, and then we're going to go into our, again, this is the training site. Your community will look a little bit different. Come over here and click on the pencil. We're going to click here on link. We're going to paste it, tell it OK. And that's what we want to see. All right, we want to be able to see the presentation there. Then we're going to come up here and put in our standards, whether you do the ISTE or the PSEL first. And I'm just making stuff up now. Okay, so we got those in there. We've got everything ready to post. And then we're going to click here on Post. Category, this is the various forms of submission. And this is what we should see when you load a presentation. This is the publish aspect of it. When I click on it, everything's going to work on its own, and I'm not going to do anything. It looks like it's about a 4-minute presentation with all the different things. There's the cube. You see the animation that I've put in it. If you have anything on click, it sits there. It won't go any further because it's waiting for you to click. And right now we've got it all automated. And you notice that it's got its own web. You can post these things anywhere you want to, but that's how I want you guys to come in here and post your Google slide presentations.